In my first year of using this and building this business, I completely replaced my income as an emotion code practitioner. Do you have a passion for helping people in health and wellness? Do you want to not just help them one time, but you want to help them help themselves, taking more responsibility for their health? Well, I share that passion. That's what brought me into frequency medicine. If you haven't heard, this is going to lead the way into the future of healthcare, and it is for those that will adopt early. If we haven't met before, my name is Juliana. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you're going to find all things about health and wellness with frequencies. So you're in business with wellness. You have maybe even expanded into a wellness center, but how could you help empower more people? Wouldn't it be awesome if you had technology that was like a wellness center on its own? What if it could have sound therapy for mental and emotional health? What if it could show a scan of the body with very detailed reports in minutes so they can start to see what trending patterns are happening in their life and then do something about it early on? Wouldn't it be awesome if you could tap a button for the exact energy frequencies of what the body needs? Maybe they're experiencing a migraine or digestive issues or recovering from Lyme and need to detox further. These are all energies and frequencies, and gentle shifts in the body can help our bodies heal ourselves. So there is this growing industry of frequency technology, and until now, it has been largely inaccessible to most because the most basic types of tech are about $10,000 to $50,000 in the purchase of that. With the AO scan, we have a huge revolution that's going to happen with this technology. This is a small portable device, very affordable. You can check it out with the links below. And it is like a wellness center. Each button is like a room that supports the body in different ways according to what someone needs. Now in this video, I'm not going to go into all the details. I've done that in other videos. But bigger picture, this can help you empower so many more people in their own lives. So one, I can offer scans with this and charge for that in my business. That's where I started with this technology. I started doing it as a service for others. That's amazing. That's a great way to help people. Now, I am only one person and I can only help so many people. It's amazing though that I can add an unlimited amount of people to this device and support them. But bigger picture, if I put this in someone's hands and show them how to use this tech for their kids, for their relatives, in their own business, then so many more lives are going to be impacted. And that's what I get so excited about. We are seeing a lot of amazing breakthroughs. You can also check out all the testimonies that we've posted. This is that pivot where people can start to put their health back in their hands, see what's going on in their body, educate themselves, as well as use supportive frequencies to help the body heal itself. If you haven't noticed, there is an epidemic of anxiety and depression crippling people and families and so on. So when we start to heal the mental and emotional foundations of ourselves, that can change everything. Now, as a business owner, you are asking yourself, okay, well, how do I make money? Let's say you get started with this as a business tomorrow and you sell a device and a subscription. You're going to make 65% of that sale. Show me another company that does that straight off the bat. And that continues through the life of your business. Besides that, you also have a share in the bonus pool from the time you first get started. So that's like having a share in a company where you're making a percentage of what the company overall is making. Let's say you just wanted to cover the costs of the purchase of your device and maybe even make a little extra money. If you sell 3 devices and 3 subscriptions, that completely covers the cost of the device and your monthly subscription ongoing. And you're starting to make money. Now, if you're not into network marketing, I can relate. That is where I was when I first heard about this company. I had burnout from multiple other companies. I had felt and seen what the dream could be, but I always struggled and I didn't actually make money in other companies. This company and product shocked me when my income kept going up as I simply shared it with more people. In my first year of using this and building this business, I completely replaced my income as an emotion code practitioner. Once I saw the potential to scale, I had to start sharing with more people. And that brings me to you. I know sometimes I get put off when somebody's like, do you want to make some extra income? I'm like, oh, here it comes. Here comes the pitch. But in this, it is different in my experience anyway. This has been so enriching and empowering on every level. Whether it's a 3-year-old who is struggling to go to the bathroom with constipation, or a 90-year-old who has dementia and could use more emotional, mental support with the balancing harmonics, it can help on so many levels. And then, yes, it can bless your finances and expand your business as well. So if you share my passion for helping people genuinely help themselves, then let's connect. Please sign up for a call below. Let's start this conversation. And if you're liking this content, please vote with the little thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for new videos. Thank you for sharing your time with me here, and thank you for what you're already doing, for how you are helping others empower their lives as well. Bye for now.